Yes, welcome back. In this video, I am going to discuss the pride of India, that is Aryabhatta. The moment we hear the word Aryabhatta, zero is what comes to our mind. But lot of us don't know that Aryabhatta has discovered and invented lot many other things other than just inventing zero. Other than being a brilliant mind of the time, Aryabhatta is a true success story of India on how hard work and dedication can make him a great person. Aryabhatta is a testimony for the intelligence and advanced thinking that Indian society had thousands of years back. And in this video, I am going to discuss what Aryabhatta represents to today's Indians, what has been his influence over the world in the recent times. Aryabhatta was the first Indian mathematician, physicist, and astronomer who created groundbreaking theories and inventions. Aryabhatta was born around 475 AD in Bihar during Gupta dynasty. Aryabhatta worked out the value of pi, which is used today by scientists and mathematicians all around the world. It was Aryabhatta who discovered the formula for the area of triangle and the volume of sphere, which has given birth to various inventions and discoveries in the field of engineering today. Aryabhatta wrote three books on astronomy, and only one of which, called Aryabhatiya, is in existence today. Aryabhatta was the one who discovered the entire model of the solar system and the concept of rotation and revolution of the planets. The inventions of Aryabhatta at the point of time was crossed borders of India and was celebrated all across the world. The initial reaction to the inventions and discoveries of Aryabhatta was rejected by the religious people back then. The mathematical books that he has written deals with theories of trigonometry, arithmetic, algebra, quadratic equation, many more that are being used even today. The scientific community of India is forever grateful for the inventions of Aryabhatta, which has given birth to progress of science and the world as we know it. The life of Aryabhatta has to be taught to children all around the world because his life is filled with stories of inspirations and struggles. I would like to conclude by saying that without the inventions and brilliance of first mathematician of India, Aryabhatta, the science as we study it today would be a different. The people of India and the people of the world wants a great amount of gratitude to this great scientist and mathematician Aryabhatta.